So, what is customer relationship management and why it's important for your business to have this implemented to improve client experience? I am Elesha Jacobs of Innovategy Solutions, and I help business owners and service providers streamline systems and automate processes for enhanced client experiences. In today's video, I want to share or give you a little more simplified definition of what customer relationship management or CRM is all about and why your business should be using a CRM to improve your client experience. I know as an online business owner, you have a ton of things to manage from marketing to sales to customer service. And so you want to have a system in place where it allows you to manage your contact information. You're able to communicate and nurture your audience at different touch points while delivering exceptional experiences and services to your clients. And this is where a customer relationship management software or CRM actually comes in. If you are tired of doing the repetitive tasks over and over and over again, then when it comes to sending invoices or reaching out to potential prospects, then you really need to consider implementing a CRM solution into your business. So, in today's video, I want to really break down for you what is customer relationship management, the benefits of customer relationship management for your business, and how you can get started thinking about implementing customer relationship management into your business. So let's go. To simplify the definition of a CRM, it's more or less the process of managing your customer relationships, the interactions, as well as the data. Simple, right? It's more of a strategy driven approach that helps small businesses, more specifically, gain insights into their customer behaviors and preferences in order to better understand and serve their clients in an exceptional way. Now, with CRM, companies, whether you're small or large, can cultivate those relationships with your clients or your customers, which will also improve your customer service and increase your sales. So, how does a CRM actually benefit your business? CRM provides businesses with comprehensive view of your customers. It's some solutions are so all inclusive where you're able to have basic information for your customers such as their name, emails, address, telephone number. And also, it holds a wealth of data such as purchasing histories, website visits, how they interacted with your team or your business or your different touch points in your business, if they've raised any support tickets, if they have interacted with your team at any point in time. The CRM solution captures all of that information. Now, this data is critical for you to create personalized experiences for your clients based on their individual needs as well as interests. And so, when it's done right with strategy and careful implementation, you will find that you will be creating personalized experiences that will over time increase your customer loyalty and also lead to higher conversions over time. And so once you're able to have those insight into your customer behaviors and preferences, your CRM allows your business to streamline its communication with your customers. It allows you to leverage automation vastly and widely in terms that you can automate your emails as well as your auto notifications and also create a life cycle or a customer journey that is seamless. And so when you want to think about implementing or getting started with CRM or customer relationship management, there are a few key things I want you to think about. The first thing is you need to determine how you're going to be using the system and who will be using the system. If you are a solopreneur or you're the only person that will be using your CRM, then you know that it's just you. But if you have a team of two or three or more team members on your business, then you need to decide who will be using that system and so that they can be trained in how to use that system. The next thing that you want to decide on is the type of information you want the system to hold. That if you want to have basic contact information, or you want to have detailed analytics such as your purchasing history of your customer, interactions, communication, and so forth. Depending on your CRM solution, it varies because every solution gives different features, and you will either turn on or turn off the features based on the needs of your business. The next thing you want to do is to identify which integrations you would need to work with your CRM solution. And this would be for your automated email solution. If you have that CRM solution that includes that, that is perfect. But if you need to look at other integrations to do your automated emails, then you will need to see how well they would integrate with a CRM solution. If you have existing integrations, let's say for document signing, do they connect directly to each other, or do you have to go through a third party? So these are some of the questions that you need to have answered up front in order to consider using or implementing a CRM system. Listen, to sum it all up, customer relationship management is an important part of any successful business strategy. You need to be able to support your clients by gaining insight into their behavior and preferences while creating those personalized experiences for each individual customer. So, with your CRM, you're able to automate that communication. You can measure your campaign's effectiveness in real time. And by implementing a CRM system, you're able to build better relationships with customers and increase your sales over time. So I hope that this video is able to clarify what is a customer relationship management, how it actually benefits your business, and some of the questions that you need to think about before getting started with a CRM solution inside of your business. If you are looking to improve your overall customer experience, then consider a CRM solution. You can click the links in the description down below for more information on how you can work with me and Innovategy Solutions to help you implement a CRM solution inside of your business. And also, if you're interested to learn more about sales automation and how CRMs can actually benefit your business over time, you can join my email community. See you inside the next video. Bye-bye.